So, hi. Ay, good morning. Ulit nga. Sasabihin ko. So, hello guys. It's me, RO, in Dubai.
Hey.
So, for today's vlog, it's all about this helmet. So, we get one client. His name is Dylan, and he contacted us on Instagram. So, he wants some camouflage design with corporate. Ano ba? Base dun sa kulay ng logo niya. Ang hirap mag-English. Medyo nahihirapan tayo sa mga script natin. Walang script. So, eto, I just wanted to show you guys the design that he wants.
Wow!
But, of course, this is airbrush. We cannot do it exactly the same. Like, 100% the same. We cannot do that. So, we'll do the design. We'll do a mock-up on how we can do it on his helmet. So, ayun lang. Pakita natin kung paano gawin yung design through the computer. So once na gawa na sa computer and he approve it, then install na natin sa helmet niya. Stay tuned!
Like I'll set my logo for
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can use the same color as well for the camouflage. So hi guys, it's me, RO again. Continuation of our vlog. Ito na-approve na yung design ng helmet. And this is the design, guys.
Wow! Amazing!
We printed it already. Now we need to remove some parts and some old stickers on the helmet. And let's start wrapping. So here is it, guys. Ay, parang ang itim-itim ko na naman dyan.
Hindi mo ito, round. Round to.
Oo.
Diba?
Nain mo muna itong ibabaw.
Saan ka pa na-stress?
Char.
Kinuha ako sa stress.
Kimitaki! Hi!
Ayun yung nanonood lagi sa atin.
Ako yung pala napakalita ng madam.
Napaka-mahihain na to ni Joseph. Ha? Mahihain? Kapal naman. Mahihain tas makapal. So, ulit yung printing. Kasi may masyadong maliit.
Bibi!